I was just remembering the other day how I was when I very first started to deliver private sit-ins for clients in a professional way. It was terrifying. It was really nerve-wracking. I'd never really been shown a correct method. I'd never been taught how to deliver. I'd just been, even on seminars and things that I'd been on in the past, I'd just been told, sit there, get a link and say what comes through. But actually, I believe that there's more to it. And when I developed my own sit-ins in my own way, which I now share with my students, something really magical happened. When I realised that I had the tools to cope with a no, to cope with challenging and difficult situations, when I knew that there was a set kind of little bit of a structure to a sit-in, really, that helped me. It helped me to relax more. When it gave me more confidence, you see, when I knew that I could deliver that sit-in in a way that I had a strong link to spirit, that I could hold that link. I knew how to hold that link. I knew how to get that link. I knew what to do when I lost the link. And then something magical happened, something really magical. My mediumship started to flow. It started to flow organically, naturally, just through me. And every sit-in that was booked became an absolute pleasure, an absolute joy for me, because I had the tools to deal with whatever situation. And I'd learnt this through all my own experience, you see. And sometimes we do have to walk it, don't we? We have to walk the path. We have to have that actual experience to be able to learn it. And now I share it with others so that you don't have to necessarily go through all the trials and tribulations. You still will be some, of course. Being a medium is never an easy path. However, you'll have the tools. If you learn the correct way, you'll feel confident in your mediumship to be able to sit there with a client, with a sitter, and deliver. Just let that mediumship flow through every being of your body. Let it flow through you. Become that person. Blend with the spirit. Learn how to blend. Learn how to let their words become your words. Their thoughts become your thoughts. Their actions become your actions. And this is what we call high frequency mediumship. And it really is something so beautiful when it happens. It's nothing short of magical. It's a wonderful experience to feel, to be able to wake up in the morning and know that you can go and deliver beautiful private sit-ins to help people, to know that there is no death, to know that the soul continues on and their loved ones continue on in the spirit world.